Now students, we will discuss the question number 1. Find the product. Here are two fractions. One is the 3 by 5 multiply 7 by 11. Let's see how will you multiply it. Here is 3 by 5 multiply 7 by 11. So what is the first step? You have to check the numerator and denominator. Is it in lowest term? 7 and 11, yes. 3 by 5, it's also in lowest term, and you can check it in cross also. 7 and 5, 3 and 11, yes, it is also in lowest term. So there is no need to simplify it. You have to just product of their numerator. That means 3 multiply by 7, and in the denominator that is 5 multiply by 11. So 3 sevens are, that is 21, 5 11s are 55. So this is your answer. In this question we will discuss about the find the product of a fraction by whole number. 15 is a whole number. Let's see how will you find the product of these two. Here is 2 by 5 multiply, here is 15. In the denominator we will write 1. It's also same. So now check it in the cross. Here is 2 and 1. The lowest, it is in lowest term. Yes. Here is 5 and 15. No, it can be simplified. Now students, you have to check it also. Never take the simplification in the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. It's not possible. You have to check always numerator and denominator. Either it will be in standing form or in cross form. Okay students, it's not possible to take the simplification of numerator by numerator. Okay, now you have to check 2 and 1 already. No, 5 and 15, these two numbers are divisible on 5. In the table of 5, 5 will divisible on 1 and 15 is on 3. So that you have to write, and after that there is a no simplification. Now you have to product of 2 multiply by 3. Here is 1 multiply by 1. So 2 3s are 6, 1 1s are 1. That is equals to 6. This is now in this we will take a mixed fraction multiply by whole number. So what's here is 3 1 by 8 multiply by 16 by 1. The first step is you have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. What will be the answer after changing? 3 8s are 24 plus 1, that is 25 by 8. Here is multiply 16 by 1. Now check it. Is it possible to simplify? Yes, 8 and 16, because the common factor is only 8. So you have to cut it on 8, 1, and here is 2. After that there is a no simplification, so that you have to multiply numerators and multiplying by denominators. So 25 2s are 50, 1 1s are 1. Which one equals to 50? So this is your answer. Now there is a next part. Here are both mixed fraction. First is you have to write the question, that is 3 6 by 7 multiply by 4 2 by 3. Now what you have to do first is the change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here is 3 7 is 21 plus 6, that is 27 by 7 multiply 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2, here is 14 by 3. Now students, you have to check one thing. First, in the numerator and denominator, is here any common multiple? Yes. Here is 3. The table of 3, 3 goes on 1, and 27 9. Here is 7 and 14, both can be divisible. It's on 1. On the table of 7, 14 will goes on 2, and you have to check it again. 9 and 1, there is no common factor. 2 and 1, there is a no common factor except 1. Then 9 multiply by 2, here is 1 multiply by 1. So 9 2s are 18, 18 by 1, which is equals to 18. So this is your answer.